Hey everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. I hope you're all safe and enjoying the fall weather. So, in honor of fall weather, I want to do one more fall inspired project. So, the things that I'm going to use for this project are all from Dollar Tree. And all of these items I have shown in one of my past hauls. And let me start with one of this beautiful paint set is the truck. And I'm going to paint this and I'll start the project from there. And this is the home sign I'm going to decorate. And this is the pumpkin, wooden pumpkin. I'm going to decorate this as well. And I'm going to use this the chart sale label for painting. And the paint that I'm going to use are white and black. This is chalkboard black and this is white acrylic paint. And I'm going to mix this with a little bit of school glue so that the paint doesn't chip off. And some of the wooden pieces and some haystack. And I got polka dotted white with on black polka dots on it. And then this is burlap ribbon with white polka dots on it. And I got some jute twine and my paintbrush. And this is the bucket set. I'm going to use one of the bucket for this fall decor. And the last one is my fall decor fillers. And yeah, so I'm going to get ready with initial preparation and then I'll be back. welcome back, you guys. These are the final result of all the projects. Let me start with this beautiful red bucket. And this bucket I decorated with painting the yellow paint as one of the patch I gave on the center of the bucket. And I also painted a green leaf with yellow dots on it. And I also had this jute twine. I made a bow and I circled around the bucket. And I stuffed Dollar Tree bag and some Spanish moss and stuck two green apples and some of the fillers, decorative fillers. And that's about that. I'm going to decorate just like that. The next one is this beautiful harvest paint set, and I actually painted it blue, and I painted all the pumpkins with different colors. And I stuck Spanish moss on the bottom of the truck, and I decorated with apples and all kinds of fall decorative fillers, and I have a scarecrow on top and two pumpkins stuck outside of the truck. So yeah, this is how I'm going to decorate. Yeah, let me know your thought on this. I think I love this. So this pumpkin decor I'm really excited about. So this is one of the wooden pumpkin that I got from Dollar Tree, and then I painted white as the base, and then I stuck some of the the sale stickers which are round on top of it, and then I painted black, and I removed the stickers using tweezers, and yeah, this is how it turned out. And I had this white with the black polka dots on it, so I stuck that kind of a ribbon with a couple of bows that I made. So yeah, this is how I want to decorate this. I wanted to give like a polka dotted look, so yeah, I'm very happy how it turned out, but let me know your thoughts on this as well. And the next one is this home sign, and I decorated this home sign inside with some of the greeneries, and I have one of the wooden piece that I had, and I stuck one of the shiny pumpkin on the top, and these are the craft sticks. I just made like some kind of a decor in the front, and I stuck a few green flowers on top, and I created a bow from fall ribbon, and I stuck one of the pine cone on the top of the house and one orange pumpkin. So this is very good looking home according to me. I like it. Let me know your thought on this as well. And this is the last one is just a stack of hay, and I stuck one green and one fall leaf, and I stuck two pumpkins, shiny and orange, and one apple as a decor. So this is how I'm going to decorate for this set of projects. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on this. Which one is your favorite, and you have any suggestions that you want to give me? Please leave a suggestion in the comment box. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing. And yeah, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you next time.